Good morning, Canada! Ako nga pala si Bullet, ang inyong Canadian Vex. Ubus na yung ginawa natin last week, kaya tara, gawa ulit tayo ng lemon ginger shot. Bukod sa napaka-healthy nito, tumutulong ito sa ating gut health. Ay, naku, at ang effect ay clear skin. Tingnan nyo naman si Kavex. At may isa pa akong sikreto na sasabihin ko na sa inyo. Bukod dyan sa lemon ginger shot, at ito talaga ang nagpabilis ng ating clear skin. Ang Lamore Aesthetics dahil pinatry sa akin ni Pia ang Pico Pro Fraxel.
Pico Pro Fraxel is one of our latest treatments here in Lamore Aesthetics, and this is a very good treatment to help address dark spots, sunspots, minimize your pores, target your acne scars, your lines and wrinkles, and it can actually give you a glowing skin after a few treatments. Also, there is no downtime for this one, so that's the best part of it. Redness will just take about a few hours and that's it. You're good to go. This will help you boost your collagen production, so it's also a good anti-aging treatment. And the best thing about this is that this is a very affordable treatment, and this can be done just by 20 or 30 minutes. Let us know if you have some questions about this treatment. Feel free to have a consultation that is free, and we will be able to assist you further on your questions or inquiries.
Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng clear skin at saka ng fresh, di ba? Kaya ano bang hinihintay nyo? Add nyo na ang Facebook page ng Lamore Aesthetics and book your appointment. Pak! O, ganyan ang magiging itsura nyo. Charis, mabilis lang naman nawala yung pula-pula sa akin. At ito, after a few days, ito nakikita ko na micropeel siya. Nagpipil na yung face ko. Kaya, Diyos ko, mawawala na talaga yung mga dark spots. Road to heart evangelista na talaga ako. Napansin nyo din ba, kukunti na ang balbas bigote ni Kavex dahil yan sa laser hair removal ng Lamore Aesthetics. Upload ko ulit yung aking update sa laser hair removal. Ay nako, napaka-happy ko talaga. Mabalik na tayo sa ating lemon ginger shot. Ito, sinamahan ko siya ng apples, ng oranges. Meron din tayong grapefruit dyan. Turmeric, black pepper, raw honey, at saka laurel, toyo. Ay, adobo! Charis! Yung honey, depende na sa inyo kung gaano kung nyo gusto katamis. Pero ang nilalagay ko dyan sa isang pitcher, parang 2 tablespoons lang ng honey. Tapos yan, iisa-isahin na natin siyang ilagay yung mga slices ng mga fruits dito sa Ninja Juicer, at ako, napakabilis lang yan. At ito, wala tong coconut water, wala tong water, purong-purong juice po talaga yan. Buti na lang talaga may juicer na kami ni Ate Apple. Ayan, napakadali ng gumawa nitong lemon ginger shot. In less than 1 hour, kaya ko na. Perfect na perfect sa ganitong weather. Ito na ulit ang aming stock for the week. Okay na.